Assisted laser hatching. Assisted laser hatching was a technique wherein what we do is that we take the embryo and we have a laser machine. You will be surprised that this laser has the smallest diameter of laser beam in medicine. It is nearly 8 microns in diameter. This laser is attached to the micro manipulator, which is a big microscope which we have, and prior to transferring the embryos back into the womb, what we do is that using the laser we cut the zona, which is the cover of the embryo. By giving it a cut, we weaken the zona. So when we put the embryos back into the womb, the embryos can easily hatch, and it helps in better implantation of the embryos into the womb. You'll be happy to know that we were the first in the country in 1998 to bring in assisted laser hatching technology, and since then we have never looked back. It is a great technology and can be used for many different kinds of patients. In patients who have recurrent IVF failures, we use assisted laser hatching. In patients whose age is more than 37 years of age, we use laser to cut their embryo cover. In patients who undergo embryo freezing, in these patients the embryo cover becomes very thick due to the freezing technology, and prior to putting these embryos back into the womb, we use a laser to cut that cover and improve the chances of implantation. And in patients, as I told you, with recurrent failures, we use it. So there are a host of indications for laser hatching, and we use it effectively. And one of the major contributors to our success rate of 40 to 50% per attempt in women less than 35 years of age has been laser. Frankly, to tell you, laser has been a fantastic addition to the technology which we have in our IVF lab, and I'm very happy that I went for it in 1998. I do not regret it for even one moment.